Cheryl Cole fans? Of course we do.
Okay, your female contestant for this evening from Leicester is Irina. Hello, Irina. Who are you here with this evening? Where are your friends? Are these your friends and the fans?
Yes, I think I'm real.
What stage I'm going to sing? Are you a sing? You look like a pop star, but can you sing like one?
No.
No. Do you think you can beat? Is it Craig? Do you think you can beat Craig?
Yeah.
No, good. Do you know Cheryl Cole? Do you know her song "Fight for This Love"? That's what you're singing.
Oh, hang on a minute. We've got Bon Jovi at 5. Maybe Craig wants to sing "Fight for This Love." We've not even asked Craig.
I'll do Bon Jovi.
He's going for Bon Jovi.
2, 3, 4. His foot's tapping. Here we go. Oh, so tough. Gina works at the diner all day. She works for a man. She brings home pay for love. Oh, for love. Hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if you make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living out of breath. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living out of breath. Oh my goodness me, give it up for Craig, ladies and gentlemen. That'll do.
What are your thoughts on Craig so far? Cheer for Craig if you love it. Come on, give us some support.
Are you ready?
In 3, 2, 1, work it, Cheryl.
Don't say Cheryl.
Sam's going to do the dance routine as well.
Too much of anything can make you sick. Even a cookie makes it hard to know which road to go.
Come on.
Always sitting in reverse. It's just like we're going backwards. And we're all on this to go. Yeah, let's go slow. But all we do is cry.
Come on, hurry up.
Not if you sing alone.
What do your friends think?
There's always a place in me that you can go home. Whenever you feel like we're falling apart. Let's just go back to the start. Anything that's worth having, sure enough we're fighting for. We're inside of the question, when we get stuck, gotta fight for more. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. Heaven is a fighting for.
Give it up. If we didn't know the difference, it's Irina and clearly Cheryl Cole.
It's a pretty good effort. Irina's very embarrassed about that. Do you think she should be embarrassed about that?
Craig, your thoughts on Irina?
Irina!
Not bad.
Cayman's in the audience.
Not bad.
Flirt, what a flirt. Irina, how do you think that went?
Say hi to Irina! Say hi to me! Say hi, Sophie! I'm Michaela! I got
Made up for it, and that meant something to 2 people here. So, right, let's find out who won then.
It is results time, so this is the time where you become the judges. You could be the Cheryl Cole, Simon Cowell, Danny Minogue. Not the Lily Walsh. No one wants to be Lily Walsh, do they? So when we get to Craig or Irina.
Let's see some noise for Irina to win. Okay. You're rugs are so wet. Look at them, they're all right. Okay, leave the stage. That was terrible. Go home. That was awful. I'm joking. Very rude.
Craig,
Thank you very much. Give it up. Give her a wave. Irina, wave for your friends one more time. Bye-bye. She's gone. She's gone.
Craig, come on, step up. Take your moment. How do you feel, Craig?
Oh, amazing. I'd like to say thank you to all my people. Can I do a little shout out to, I'm with the people from LEICESTER who I work with tonight, from Lindum.
Your adoring fans, he's a superstar. You'll get mobbed when you go out there now. There's your tickets. Give it up for Craig.
Fantastic. Cheers, buddy. Well done. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good to see you. Okay.